Hello, hello, hello. Curtie Cool is back in the house, y'all. Have I got another great show for you guys today. Y'all check this out. Do you guys want to know
how to dog out a no-good narcissist? Take it from Curtie Cool. One word. Just stay away from them.
How to dog out a narcissist? Just expose them.
how to dog out a narcissist?
Let them know that they ain't no good, they are manipulators.
How to dog out a narcissist? Just slam dunk them by telling the family about them. How to dog out a narcissist, y'all? Do not let them get the best of you. How to dog out a narcissist? They will try to manipulate you. They will never congratulate you. But you just give them the boot in the butt. How to dog out a narcissist? Just go around town and just look at them as being ignorant and stubborn. How to spot a narcissist? Just tell them you sucks. How to spot a narcissist? Patricia Robinson. Just tell her she is a abuser, a user, a con artist, a manipulator, a baby stealer, a baby scammer, a criminal, effed up. Hey y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. Now this is the proper way to expose a narcissist. Okay, bye.